love picnics. You know, they're just so happy to be on a picnic. You know, you spread your blanket down and you have your vino. Isn't it happy? And the best company, you bring your maid or whoever you like. But I'm going to have some chips on there. I love potato chips. Do you like the smell of red onion in a salad? I got these glasses in the dollar store. I've dropped them. They don't break, so I'm really lucky. I don't know where we're going to go. I think we're going to go to the docks or maybe the beach. And just keep layering it. I think we're going to stop at Starbucks too. I need a cup of coffee too. Isn't this cute? And of course I'm going to have some wine. Some red wine. Because we're drinking, we might just go local and, you know, just sit there for a bit. And you can get a thicker Italian bread. They didn't really have, this is all they had. So bring it to a party and have some fun. Hi and welcome again to Annie's Angle and Annie's Kitchen. Today we're going on a picnic. Oh yes we are. I love picnics. You know, they're just so happy to be on a picnic. Isn't it happy? You know, you spread your blanket down and you have your vino and the best company, you bring your maid or whoever you like, and it's just kind of romantic too. Isn't it? I think it is. I love picnics. So before I tell you what you're going to use or bring, or maybe you'll bring different things, grab a cup of coffee. I gotta have my Starbucks. I think we're going to stop at Starbucks too. I need a cup of coffee too. Coffee and wine. Woo! So I purchased this. Isn't this cute? On Amazon. I love it because it has the little, looks like a little picnic, you know, picnic tablecloth, doesn't it? I kind of love it. But I'm going to have some chips on there. I love potato chips. I got these in Trader Joe's. I like that. They only have it at a certain time of the year, I think. And of course we have some fruit, some more. And I'm organic whenever I can. Some organic grapes. And let me see what we're taking on the picnic. I got an Italian bread. I love Italian bread. That's what I like to make my sandwich on. I really do. And I bought a salami, Genoa salami I'm going to put on. I love this kind of hero. I just love. Tomatoes. Red onion. Red onion. Do you like the smell of red onion in a salad? I just love the smell of red onion in a salad. I love it. And on a sandwich, it's delicious. I said tomatoes, iceberg lettuce too. That kind of lettuce I love on my sandwiches. I really do. It's just the best lettuce for sandwiches, I think. And of course, well, chocolate chip cookies. I like this because it's in a separate bag. And you can take them and I can eat my husband's cookies too if he doesn't want to have them. So, balsamic vinegar and olive oil. I sprinkle that on top of the sandwich. I'm probably going to put that in a jar because you can't bring it like this. And of course I'm going to have some wine, some red wine I like. And I got these glasses in the dollar store. I've dropped them. They don't break, so I'm really lucky. But I kind of like it in glass. Do you? I really like my wine in glass. And of course, cheese. I got some Provolone cheese with it. So this is what's going to go into my hero. And we're going to just, I don't know where we're going to go. I think we're going to go to the docks or maybe the beach. There's a beach there. Spread the blanket out and just kind of relax. And say it's like a vacation without taking a vacation. I think that's what, or maybe we might go to Montauk. I don't know, we're kind of like iffy what we want to do, but because we're drinking, we might just go local and, you know, just sit there for a bit, have like a little bit of vino, or maybe we'll take a bike ride there. That's what we might do, take a bike ride, not just, can't bring the glasses, but everything else we can bring, and just enjoy the time together. And that's what it is, that's what a picnic is. So come on into my kitchen, and let's make the best hero that you're going to have. I guarantee you're going to love it. And you're going to want to go on a picnic too. Okay, I've cut my bread. And you can get a thicker Italian bread. They didn't really have, this is all they had. And it's thinner, but it's okay. And we're going to add the meat first. And we're just going to put, and we're making a little sandwich for me now. So we can so I can taste it. Oh boy. And just put as much as you like on there. And just keep layering it. And that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to keep layering it. Oh. And then we're going to add the cheese. It's your sandwich, so you do whatever you like. If you like a lot of cheese, you add a lot of cheese. And this is kind of what we're going to do. Put a little piece of cheese on mine. And then the tomatoes I would add at the last minute. Only because you don't want the bread to get soggy. So, you know, if you're going to drive somewhere, I would pack some tomatoes just on the side to take with you. And lettuce. And this is your sandwich. Your hero. Then you're going to put it together, pack it real well, close it, and you're going to add your oil and vinegar. What you're going to do is you're just going to sprinkle the balsamic vinegar on it, and then your oil. You just sprinkle that all over it as well. Your olive oil is pretty heavy right now, and this is it. This is your sandwich, and you're good to go. So you can go on your picnic, and as I said, the tomatoes I would add at the end because you don't want the bread to get soggy, and the oil and vinegar I would add at the end when you're at the beach. When you're on your picnic, you just add a sprinkle, take that in a little container, put it together, the balsamic vinegar and the olive oil, and you have a hero that is out of this world. So now's the best part. We're ready to try it. Did you make yours? I hope so. So this is what it looks like. Isn't this beautiful? I love this kind of stuff. So should we add our oil and vinegar? Of course. So we're going to add a little bit of oil to this. And we put our tomato in. And our oil. Just sprinkle it on. And let's taste it. Come on, taste mine. No, you can't taste mine, but you can make yours. Mmm. 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 This is good. It really is. Mm. What a thing to bring on a picnic. You know, my daughter, on her birthday, she said, Mom, will you make one of these heroes for lunch? I just love them. And I do. Because she loves these kind of heroes. It's really, really good. And so I make it occasionally, you know what, for a picnic or whatever. It's so good. I love it. So, like this video, subscribe to my channel. For those of you who have subscribed to my channel, thank you so much. I appreciate it a lot. Come again, we'll be cooking up a storm. I'm a fitness instructor. I love fashion. I like crafts. But most of all, I like being with you. So come back and let's have a great good time at Annie's Angle. Bye-bye for now.